free x10 random gifts and gems and pizza QR code for the Brawl Stars right here. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you can go ahead and get free rewards, free QR codes, pins, and icons on your Brawl Stars account. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into our video. Now, the rewards that you can go ahead and get is going to be free on the battle pass for the current season right here. Now with the current season, you can go ahead and get all of these rewards right here. I have a complete list of all of the rewards that you can go ahead and get by just playing the game itself. Now we have our free rewards like 500 power points, you have store drops, 100 credits, and basically you have a lot of different sorts of items right here. Now navigating through our icons and QR code, you can go ahead and get all of this QR code right here for free by just scanning them inside the Brawl Stars game. Now with the first one, we have this icon. With the second one, we have the M icon. We have this third icon right here that you can go ahead and get freely. And for the last icon, we have this skull thinking emoji right here. And so let's proceed to the free pin that we can go ahead and get by just scanning QR codes. We have this skull icon right here. You have this dancing pin emoji. And lastly, with the current QR codes available for Brawl Stars, we have this sleeping egg emoji. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.